What if I told you that a single formula could unlock the hidden world of gases, allowing you to calculate the unseen with ease? This isn't just theory, it's the key to mastering chemistry. Stick around, and I'll show you. Here's the deal. 1 mole of any gas at room temperature and pressure occupies a volume of 24 decimeters cubed. This is what we call the molar volume. At first glance, this might seem like a simple fact. But the magic happens when you can use it to calculate the moles or volume of a gas, which is where this concept becomes truly powerful. Think of it as a bridge between the macroscopic world we can see and the microscopic world we can't. The relationship between mole and volume of a gas at room temperature and pressure is expressed as mole of gas is equal to volume of gas over molar volume. The molar volume is 24 decimeter cubed, so the formula becomes mole of gas is equal to volume of gas over 24 decimeter cubed. Note that this expression is only applicable when the volume of gas is at room temperature and pressure. And take note of units. The volume of gas should be in decimeter cubed or liters. Ready for a challenge? The first example. What is the number of moles of 3.6 decimeter cubed of oxygen gas at room temperature and pressure? Pause the video for a moment, try to work it out yourself, and come back for the answer. The formula for the mole of gas is volume of gas over 24 decimeter cubed. The volume of oxygen given is 3.6 decimeter cubed over 24 decimeter cubed. 3.6 over 24 gives 0.15 moles. So the number of moles of 3.6 decimeter cubed of oxygen gas at room temperature and pressure is 0.15 moles. The second example. Calculate the moles of nitrogen gas in 700 milliliters at room temperature and pressure. Moles of nitrogen equal to volume of nitrogen given over 24 decimeter cubed. The volume of nitrogen given is in milliliters, so we change to liters by dividing with 1,000. This gives 0.7 liters or decimeter cubed. Then moles of nitrogen 0.7 decimeter cubed over 24. This finally gives 0.03 moles. So the moles of nitrogen gas in 700 milliliters at room temperature and pressure is 0.03 moles. The third example. Calculate the volume of 10 grams of fluorine gas at room temperature and pressure. This question asks to find the volume. So the formula is volume of fluorine equal to moles of fluorine times 24 decimeter cubed. We can calculate the moles of fluorine from the mass given. Moles of fluorine is equal to mass given over molar mass of fluorine. Mass given is 10 grams, and the molar mass of fluorine is 38. 10 over 38 gives 0.26 moles. Then we calculate volume. Volume of fluorine is equal to moles times 24 decimeter cubed. The moles found is 0.26 times 24 decimeter cubed. This gives 6.24 decimeter cubed. So the volume of 10 grams of fluorine gas at room temperature and pressure is 6.24 decimeter cubed. To recap, 1 mole of any gas has 24 decimeter cubed volume of gas at room temperature and pressure. This volume is called the molar volume of gas. The relationship between mole and volume of a gas at room temperature and pressure is expressed as mole of gas volume of gas over 24 decimeter cubed volume. Now that you know how to find the molar volume of gases, get ready for our next video. Percentage purity in chemical reactions. How do chemists measure how pure a substance is in a reaction? Stay tuned for that, and always stay curious.